Hello, dear students. I, Dinesh Karmalkar, your comedy teacher, welcomes you to JVM's New English School Kalwa online teaching classes. And today we will see our next practical of Standard 7. Now, the objective of today's practical is to do a revision of advanced filter option. The last time we have seen the revision of filter option. Today we will see what is advanced filter option. And for this, the software requirements will be as usual. We are going to use for Windows Microsoft Excel 2016 we are going to use, and for Android mobile we can use Microsoft Excel app. Now again today also we are not going to take any specific question like that, just we will enter some random data. For that question we are going to take is, if you say it's a salary record, in that salary record we will take some names, we will enter the department designation and some salaries of some people, and based on that database, based on that record which we are going to use the advanced filter, and we will understand this advanced filter option. So let's open our Excel. Today's file, before only I am saving its name, I will give as advanced filter. Last time it was filter. File I saved. Now what we are going to take is, now for this advanced filter, it is better to you type the data from here to after leaving 2-3 lines. So I will start it from here only, from the fourth row here, because first the lines will be required afterwards. That I will tell you why it is required. Your name, then we have a department, then we will use designation, and last the salary. This like this we have used before also. Now a little bit I will increase its font. Let's say take it 20 at least, and this make it at least Arial black. Now I increase this. Here department I want, then here designation. Now all this we are going to, the data for this we are going to enter with the help of the forms. So these 4 headings we have. Now for these 4 headings I will this, now you know how to bring this form. By default is not there, you know it is in the file options, you have to find it out. Again I am not going to tell today also. So let's see this record I am going to take from page number 38 and page number 26 of your book. From both places I will enter the record, because on page number 38 some the part is hidden. So for that, filling that part, I am going to use the page number 26 table. So both things I will use here today. Now let's start entering first, and we will make the form for this. Click OK. I am getting the form here. Name, department, destination. The first name which is given here in your book is that I am entering here, Ankita. Department I am not able to visible here. Let's say it is manager. I will write here. Sorry, department is not manager. Designation will be manager. Department, let's say I will write here marketing, and salary, let's say it is which is even given in the book that only I am using here. In the book it is given around 25,000 that I am using. Okay, new record. It is show. Then department I will take from page 26. It is production. Designation I will take from page 26. Let's say executive, sales executive, let's say. salary I will take it as 20,000. Then next is Priya. Here it is given a storekeeper. Department is production. Storekeeper. So salary will be obviously less, 10,000. Next is Anuradha. Here department are 3-4 only: marketing, computer, from randomly we can take anything. So let's say now computer department. Let's say it is a typist. Salary is, let's say, 8,000. Next record is my department is marketing, sales executive. And salary, let's say 22,000. Then next is Lee. Department computer engineer, and salary, let's say 18,000. Next is Mark, production. Here manager, salary say 30,000. Next is salary 5,000. Let's say production, say worker. So these all records we are done. I will close this. So this much is enough. You can change if you want this some option if you want. And now let's increase the font of this also. Let's make it 18 at least, so you can see visible here. And already we have saved it now. I will add two different colors to different option. What we are going to do here, both these are managers, so for both I am giving the same color, and these both are sales executives, so both I will give same color here also. Let's say here I am giving, sorry, this I want to change. So both these I'm giving same color, both are sales executive and in the both manager I am giving the same color, and the typist is same here. So here also I am giving the same color of typist. And worker I am giving different color. So this way we given different colors to different things. Now let's see how to use the advanced filter. Here let's say I want the salary of, let's say we get here 20,000 and here manager 30,000 is there. Let's make another one same like this. Computer engine also will make 20,000 only. You know, two people are 20,000. Let's say I want the executives whose salary is 20,000. People whose salary is 20,000, that I want. For that I will make a filter, advanced filter. So what I will do, I will select this. First I will copy this from here, copy, and I will use this here. Okay, now I will use the salary. I want which the record which I want to use salary is 20,000. So I am entering here equal to 20,000. Now I will click here and I will select go to data and I will take advance here. In this I will take here copy to another location. Now list range is A4 to D13. Of course full is coming here. Now this is correct. Now I will take criteria range. Criteria range will be this all, and here I want copy, where to copy this. I will copy, let's say I will use here this option. I will take this one. So let's click OK. Here some of the record is lost because we have selected only one cell. So let's say no, and we can do it again because we those 22 records are there. It's because we have selected less field here. So let's again we can do the same thing. What we will do, we will remove this from here and again I will use the advanced filter. You have to click anywhere here, then use the data advanced filter. Then for criteria range you have to use this one which is same, and for copy to I will use the 3 cells now because I will come here, no sorry, this one, use this one for this. So I am getting these two records 20,000 because I used the same place and not another location. Now let's see how to do it for the different location. So that we will clear this record first. We'll take this all things in different place. And now I will use that advance here. I will use here copy to another location here, and then I will click the range. Range is same here 20, and here I will right now copy. I will, let's say here I will take, we want 4 cells of 3 records at least. Yes, now we are getting this record a little bit small. So we are getting 2 records of 20,000 here. Similarly, we can give the records whose, suppose you want the salary of the whose this salary is less than 20,000, all will, that also can come here. So if you write here instead of equal to, you have to put here less than 20,000, that also you can do. For that you have to again use the filter option. Then copy to filter, range again you have to take that, and I will use the same thing here. Instead of this one I will remove here, and let's say I will use here so now you can see here we are getting the records of the people whose salary is below 20,000. so I am getting 4 records here. These all people having below salary. Even if you want greater than whose salary is greater than, that also you can do. For that again you have to change here not only salary, if you want the persons whose salary is less than 2,000, and also those who are typist, so their designation is typist, that also we can do. Like here 2 typists are there. I will type here typist, that also we can do. So criteria is here typist, and let's say here place for these 2 things. Let's again take in a different sheet, because already here we are used to 2 advanced filters. So here attributes has been locked here. Now it is there open. Now what we can do is criteria already we know. Now here location, will change this. I will take here another location here, and I will click OK. So here let's see. So this is, you can see only typist we are getting salary is less than 20,000, and plus they are typist. So you can use multiple criteria also in advanced filter. So here we are getting whose salary is equal to 20,000, here who's less than 20,000, and here whose the salary is less than 20,000 plus they are typist. So these are different criteria you can use here with the help of advanced filter. Now let's see our assignment question. For the assignment, use the same salary table which I shown today, and in that use the advanced filter and copy the records to another location whose salary is 8,000. So what I done for 20,000, you do it for 8,000. You can copy the records who are exactly 8,000, whose salary is less than 8,000. Again, you can use multiple criteria also. So till the next practical, thank you very much.